Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can recover your accidentally deleted files from your drive. Whether it is your hard drive, SSD, USB drive, SD or TF card or even your desktop. It happens to all of us. We accidentally deleted something important, formatted the wrong drives or lost files due to a system crash. But don't worry, today I am going to show you a fantastic tool that can help you get those files back with the power of AI. So this is the site. You will also find the link in the description below for easy access. And the tool is called RecoveryFox AI. And as the name suggests, it does not just retrieve data, it uses smart AI to dig deep and bring back even the files that are hard to recover. You can download it for free and it works only on Windows. When you open the solution tab on their website, you will see just how powerful this software is. You can recover deleted files, formatted files, lost documents, photos, files from the desktop, recycle bin, USB drives and even from hard drives that have been corrupted or wiped. So let's go ahead and download it. So click on the free download button and you will see the files get downloaded instantly. It's only around 24 MB in size, so it should download really quickly. Once the file is downloaded, double click on it to start the installation. Select your preferred language and click OK. Then click Next. Accept the license agreement by clicking I agree. And select the folder where you want to install it. Click Next and the installation begins. Once it's done, just click on Finish. Now you will see a new desktop icon named RecoveryFox AI. Double click on it to open. The interface is very clean and user-friendly. You will immediately see all the drives connected to your PC, whether internal or external. For example, here I can see my 2 internal drives and 1 USB drive that I have plugged in. Now to show you how well this tool works, let's do a practical demo. Okay, I'm going to open File Explorer and here's my USB drive. It has a PNG image, 1 video file and 1 PDF documents. Now I'm going to format this USB drive completely and wiping all the data from it. As you can see, the drive is now fully empty. There's nothing left on it. But now I will show you how to recover those files using RecoveryFox AI. So go back to the RecoveryFox AI and select the USB drive from the list. Then click on Start Scan. The software will begin by performing a quick scan, which is fast and useful for the recently deleted files. Once that's done, it will automatically proceed to an AI scan, and this is where the real magic happens. The AI scan is much deeper and smarter. It takes a little longer depending on the size of the drive, but it analyzes the disk sector by sector to locate files that were deleted, formatted or even hidden due to a system issue. So be patient while it scans. It's working hard in the background to find your lost files. Once the scan is complete, you will see that it neatly organizes all the recovered files by type. You can see categories like documents, photos, videos, archives, audios and more. So I am going to select documents, photos and videos because those are the types of files I had before formatting the drive. Now click on Recover and it will ask you where to save the recovered files. So one important tip, never recover files to the same drives you scan. Okay, so I will choose desktop, where I already created a folder called recovered files. Now click on OK and the recovered process begins. You will see the progress bar showing how many files are being recovered. Here it says 108 files in total, which includes both recently formatted and earlier deleted files. So let the process finish. It does not take long. Okay. Once recovery is completed, click OK to view the files. Go to the folder you selected and you will see a multiple subfolder created inside it, organized by a file type. Open each folder and there are all your lost files. Your documents, your videos, your pictures. Everything is right there. So this is how RecoveryFox AI works. It's fast, smart and incredibly effective. Whether it was a formatting mistake, an accidental deletion or a corrupted drive, this tool can really save you from a lot of stress. If you like the free version, you also have the option to upgrade. They offer different plans like 1 week, 1 month, 1 year or even a lifetime license if you want full access and unlimited recovery. RecoveryFox AI supports all major file systems like NTFS, EXFAT, FAT32 and works with a wide range of storage media, including HDD, SSD, USB drives, SD card, and TF cards. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this helped you understand how to recover your deleted or lost files easily with RecoveryFox AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.